Piedmont's partnered with several different A&P schools. I went to Liberty University and they had a partnership with them. That was just super cool, just knowing that there were people out there who cared about up-and-coming technicians, people who wanted to be involved in the industry, and then also kind of opening that door, paving the way, knowing that there was a need. It was encouraging, just trying to get through some of the hard parts of A&P school, knowing that there was someone out there who needed me and wanted me and all that. I got hired 5 months ago, and my seniority, I've already moved up probably 5, 6, 7 spots on the seniority list, which is for an industry that didn't move for a while, that's meaningful. There's a lot of new guys coming in, and there's going to be even more. To students in the same spot I was, 5 months ago, I'd say, look at all your options. There's a lot out there. You can do pretty much anything you want in this field, but the kind of support you get at a regional, the kind of support I've gotten at Piedmont through the training and the infrastructure that's in place for the manuals and the aircraft, and it's a really holistic experience you get here, working on the entire airplane, being exposed to pretty much everything.